How do you make a colored pencil that lays down brilliant color without breaking under pressure? The challenge is balancing softness for smooth color with enough strength to survive sharpening, handling, and pressure. Welcome to Process Media. We're deconstructing colored pencil manufacturing, from the color core to precision finishing and final inspection.
A material name match confirmed.
Before wood ever surrounds it, consistency matters. One weak section can compromise everything built around it.
The core has its color, but the pencil still needs a shell strong enough to protect it.
Those channels do more than hold the core. They determine how accurately the finished pencil will center.
Too little pressure leaves gaps. Too much can damage the core, so the process must stay controlled.
Before the shape changes, every layer has to agree on one center line.
The goal isn't simply joining wood, it's creating one stable body around a delicate center. A tiny alignment error can disappear inside the finished pencil, but reveal itself every time it is sharpened.
Now the rough assembly becomes a pencil, and every cut removes material with a purpose.
The point has to expose the center cleanly, without weakening the wood surrounding it. The geometry is now fixed. From here, the pencil's surface will give its identity to the finished product.
Manning the control panels, a female East Asian worker in full PPE, the initial coat application of pencils.
Drying has to be controlled because the finish must harden without disturbing the layers beneath it. Once the surface is stable, precise markings turn an anonymous shape into an identifiable colored pencil. The final finish has one job: make every pencil feel consistent from first touch to final use. Small finishing details matter because mass production leaves no room for one pencil to feel different. After dozens of automated steps, quality still comes down to what a trained eye can notice.
The manufacturing work is nearly finished, but the pencil still has to prove it deserves to leave the line.
Quality testing asks a simple question: did every earlier decision produce the pencil we intended?
A pencil can look perfect on the conveyor and still fail when sharpening exposes its internal balance.
Rejecting one pencil is easy. Discovering why it failed is what protects thousands more. Only after passing these checks does the pencil move from production into preparation for shipment. At this stage, precision has to survive speed, because thousands of finished pencils move together. Packaging begins with organization. Every pencil must arrive in the right position before the pack closes.
Automation keeps the rhythm, but people still make the final call when something looks wrong.
After all that precision, the finished colored pencil is finally ready to leave the factory.
The factory's final responsibility is simple: send out the same quality that entered the line.
From these doors, our finished colored pencils begin their final journey, reaching customers and creators across the globe.
The journey from raw material to a finished pencil involves many steps, culminating in this final product, ready for use.